So today, I'm just vlogging just because I want to. Anyways, we're going to Joann's or Walmart? Joann's. So right now we're going to Joann's, a craft store, to get some stuff because for school we're doing a food truck project. We're basically building a food truck. And yes, and it is freezing because it's pouring rain. Look, I'll show you.
Sound like you?
See?
If it does, you could be one of the many people with a digestive condition called
You'll see the ground wet, right?
or EPI. Even if you don't know what EPI is, you might know the symptoms.
It's raining
Stomach pain.
pretty hard today.
You could still have EPI.
Yeah, it's supposed to rain tomorrow.
Because not everybody experiences EPI the same way.
Okay, so I'll talk to you guys when we get to Joann's. Bye. Okay, guys, so the car is broken because the water, the rain comes out right there. You see that? Oh, well, stop dripping now that okay, yeah. And now my mom has to sit there with a puddle of water in her hand. Guys, we just noticed that this side is doing it too, apparently. It wasn't doing it before. Oh, you guys can see. It wasn't doing it before. It's doing it now. Right there. It's coming out that crack right there. Yeah. Alright, we're here, guys. I gotta cover you guys up so you guys don't get wet. Look, guys, it's like pouring out. It's pouring here. Yeah, I know. Yeah, it's raining. Okay, guys, so we are here. Now, she's trying to show us my stuff.
This is all like garden type stuff, and then my miniatures in here.
Okay.
And then there's some down further toward the end on clearance. Then we've got unfinished wood over that last aisle before you hit the yarn aisle.
Okay.
And then basics where you're gonna find just like popsicle sticks, all that kind of stuff is on that other side.
Okay. Thank you.
Just ask if you need any more help.
Okay. This is fidget spinners, like, bruh. We didn't ask for this. Okay. We said doll stuff, we didn't say. Huh? The right card there. Oh. Okay, guys, we just got our thing. It's not really just like a plain box. It's a box that actually has stuff on it. But we'll end up putting paper over it anyway. I think it's over 2 inches. And it's not raining no more. So, nice. Okay, so really fast before I start this time lapse, we are building lovely lights, that's what it's called. So yeah, I'm just gonna do time lapse, I'm not gonna go through step by step what you do. We're just gonna do this. Alright guys, it's been a couple of hours after that last clip that I did. I'm gonna take a shower in a minute. I gotta get my clothes all ready. By the way, I don't look good. So, yeah. Anyways, I'll be back whenever I get out of the shower. Okay guys, I'm out. Okay, so I'm gonna end this vlog in a little bit. Like, what time is it, Mom? 10:15? 7:15. Okay, so I'm gonna end this vlog at 8:15. So yes, I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, share, and oh my God, I was just ending the video right now. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye for now. Okay guys, I hope you guys like this video. I forgot to end the vlog, but please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and like me in my beautiful rainy vlog. Always say we'll be back with more videos. Peace.
Someone told me love was only in the movies. It don't exist in real life these days.